fix Google Gemini not working. So if you are working on Gemini and it suddenly stops and it is not working now, then this is the video for you to fix it. So make sure to watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. There may be various reasons behind it. So the first reason will be that there may be error on the app, there may be error on the network settings also, and there may be also update available for that. To fix it, make sure that your device is connected to any strong Wi-Fi data. So if your device is not connected to any of it, then that may also be the reason that you are not being able to use the Google Gemini. Secondly, turn on the airplane mode for few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for few seconds, here you'll be able to fix the network settings or the box or errors of the network settings. The third thing which you can do is that you just need to open Play Store or App Store, and from here you just need to search for the app Gemini. So after searching for the app Google Gemini, see if there is any update available for the app. So if there is any kind of update available for the app, make sure that the app is updated and you have updated it. So by doing all of it, you will be able to fix the issue of Google Gemini not working. But if it is still not working, then you just need to restart the device once and you'll be able to fix the issue in a very easy way. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue of Google Gemini not working. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.